everyone, welcome back to my channel. I should apologize for not being able to post anything for a very long time, just because I've been busy with work, and since it's the winter I don't have the proper winter gear to do winter hikes. But I did come up with something. I thought of a video that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, but I just didn't have the right bag for that. Now I do. Everybody wants these days, which is a Louis Vuitton bag, but I had to buy it pre-loved because it was sold out, and also they stopped making the bag. I've been wanting this bag for about 6 years now, and the first time I looked at it, I'm like, oh my god, I have to have that. So I finally was able to get one. So I actually purchased it from Fashion File. They sent me this little bag, which is super cute. It keeps everything inside. I personally don't like to buy pre-loved bags just because of the conditions, and I want a pristine condition, and the only way I would get it's buying a brand new bag from the company, which I usually prefer. So when I got it, I just got it. I got it maybe like a week ago, and it came with everything when you purchase a brand new from a store comes with, so I was super excited about that. Let's open it. So it comes with a little ribbon, it comes with the original box, and it also comes with the original dust bag. I was so excited about that. So I'm just gonna slide it right off. That way I can show you what's inside. They also sent me a little card, and it has the tag and the receipt, and they also sent me a thank you card, which is really sweet. And it comes with the dust bag, which is so cool that the previous owner kept everything the way it's supposed to be. So this is the Demure Favorite PM. I originally wanted an MM, which is a little bigger than this, but this is a good size because I don't want to stuff too many things in there. I just want something super light, so when I go to dinner, or if I'm out in the club, or if I'm just lounging somewhere, this would be a perfect thing to take it with me. Now it does have a little scratch mark. I don't know if you guys could see that on the hardware, which is not too bad. So that was pretty, I was pretty excited about that. Otherwise I would have to make an appointment with Louis Vuitton and get that replaced. I am a little concerned about the magnets. I might do that. I might actually make an appointment and go get that replaced, just because it's not super strong. Because if you put your phone and your wallet, it just might come back, slide off. So I probably would call them and make an appointment with them. So it comes, I love this little chain. It is beautiful and it's super cute. So let's look at inside. I love the red. I've always didn't like the red, but when it comes to Louis Vuitton, I love the red because it stands out, and I love things that stands out. Super bright and super shiny. So it's got the strap, which was pretty cool, and it also has this little tag, which was pretty awesome. I was so excited about that as well. I wish it came with the original tag, but it didn't. That's okay. I love using crossbodies just because they're easy to carry, and so that I don't have to carry a whole bunch of things. So this works out perfectly. When I first wanted this bag, that was like 6 years ago, and at that time I was a full-time student, part-time worker. I could not afford it. I do plan on buying a couple of bags from Louis Vuitton. I would spray this bag, that way I get the most use out of it, and on the process I don't destroy the bag, because I know a lot of people who buy high-end bag and they're scared to use it. Don't be scared to use these. These are just bags. I know they're expensive, but if you take care of them, this should last you for a while. I love the inside, and I love that it's not so used that I have to replace a few things. But I'm excited for this bag. I've been using high-end bags for a while, so I know how to take care of them, and I've learned some tips and tricks and get the most use out of it. If you guys want to see a video about how to take care of it or spray the bag, do let me know on the comment down below. I will make a video about that. I do have to thank my family for this bag, because it was my last year birthday money that they gave me, because I asked them that, you know, I wanted a Louis Vuitton bag, and they all chipped in to get this bag. So I'm so excited, and thank you so much for doing that. I could not be more happier. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed, please do so. Like, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. There's also a notification bell, one of these corners. If you guys press that, it will give you a notification when I post videos. Be safe out there, stay safe, and I will see you guys on my next video.